Hey friends, so today we have a PM inspection and cal on the Giraffe warming unit. It is a pain in the butt, so I definitely recorded all these steps because I kept running into problems, which I didn't record because it would have been even longer. But this unit, you have to get the scale to get the proper weight, make sure it's balanced, everything is in order. Back here, you got to clamp the yellow, make sure you put something on it so you don't rip the wires. But anyways, enjoy. I did some commentating, not the best voices, but whatever. So for supply, gas check valves connect to white and then brown, and both have to remain between 275 and 517. And to do so, make sure that this is off. Get your connection. Turn on your gas. Make sure you get a stable number.
Above 275.
Above 275, so I gotta crank it up. So you go 275, and now you close the valve. Yeah. It is. Close this bad boy. Damn. So make sure that it doesn't drop more than 14 in a minute. As you can see, it is a stable procedure. And you do the same thing with the brown as to the white. Now to the oxygen, air and oxygen blender. This is your chart. From this, you set it up, hit the 0, primary to 0, secondary to 7.5, and then 21, and then you proceed from there. And then on your VT plus, put O2 to your percentage corresponding to your table. For the blender alarm, disconnect one of them, turn it on, and then vice versa. Blue. So after you clamped both of those, you rotate your pip to get to the stop, and it should be no more than 60, 54.8. Then you'll be asked to press this and turn past the limit, and then it still should not exceed 60. Now for the second part, for the airway manometer, you're just turning this and moving the dial and comparing it. So I did 10, I'm gonna do 30. Let's do 30. Voila, 30. After you do your 50 and you get your reading, remove the yellow. Airway, put it to max. Got it at 30. Now we're gonna overpress it. 45. Perfect. For a primary flow valve, primary to 0, 60 at max, secondary 0, turn it on. High pressure, high flow, 0. Let's move it to 5. Perfect. Now you're gonna do it for the secondary flow. 0, 0, 60. I'm gonna put a 15, attaching it to high pressure. 17.1. For the suction control valve 0, make sure there's a 0, turn it on, and that's a 0. Turn it on. For the maximum flow, gradient 16, suction gauge 0. Turn this off, switch off, then it stays at 0. For suction accuracy, plug in wire, put your VT onto the high pressure. Make sure you're high pressure, millimeters mercury. Let's go at 30, 31 in my range. So we're good. So yeah, that was a PM inspection cal. I hope it helps other BMATs because I'm going to be using this in the future to do it again next year.